Hello guys, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I will show you how to make dhoti for a 6-month-old baby. I took two cloths first. The length of this cloth is 11 inch and width is 20 inch. First I will fold this cloth equally into 3 parts. Now open the fold. From the bottom to the top I will mark the size of 5.5 inch. Now I will mark 1 inch on the right side and 1 inch on the left side. Now I will draw a U shape. This time I will mark 2 inch from the corner of the fold that I opened. Now cut these parts. When the cutting is done, I will separate the two cloths. After separating, the two cloths should be kept in the same direction. If you do the opposite direction, it will get messy. So keep this in the same direction as I show. Now place the lace along the bottom line. If you want, you can use other color cloths. I am now putting the lace on the fabric. Please double stitch while putting it on. Now I have attached the lace on both of my cloths. This time we have to give some small pleats on the side of the half U shape of the cloth and stitch it. But be careful, the size should be 5.5 inch after the stitching. Now my two cloths are stitched and the size of both sides is 5.5 inch. On the side of the both cloth where we place the lace, we will take the cloth upside down. This time I will place the stitched part next to the half U shape like this. On the other hand, I will keep the half round shape part top of it and sew these two cloths. Of these two cloths we will do the same things. Now both our cloths are sewn. I will put both the cloths in the same direction. Sew it like this. It becomes like a pant. I am going to show you pant cutting is ready. Look. I'm going to show you cutting now. It's a pant cut. Now on the both sides of the two parts of the cloth, continue to make small folds with a size of 1.5 inch. Part of the two pants should be sewn in the middle of this folded cloth. In the same way, on this side too, take the size of 1.5 inches and fold it towards the waist. Meanwhile, the joint part of the pants should be kept in the middle. joining both sides. This time I took another cloth, the size of which I have taken as 11 inches is equal to the length of the dhoti, and on the other side there is the size of the dhoti, which is length plus half dhoti, means 17.5 inches. Now measure 2 inches and mark it. Now I will take away the cloth. I will sew the green color fabric with another pink color fabric equally to make this more beautiful. After cutting the cloth with stitching on the 3 sides, we will straighten the cloth from the inside and make a stitch on all sides. On the side of the fabric that we sewed last, we will fold the fabric 2 more times and sew it. Now I will place the lace on the one side of the cloth. Now we will continue to fold the fabric in 1 inch size. Now I will stitch in the middle of the front of the dhoti. Now I will sew the long part of the cloth with dhoti. Waist part of the dhoti, through which we will putting the rope. I took 2 pieces of cloth again, and its size will be 2 fingers more than the waist of the dhoti we have made. First we will join the 2 fabrics, and then on the other side I will sew half. On the stitched portion of the hoop cloths, fold like this, and I will sew the remaining half again. Sewing is done, part like this and then stitch. Portion has been made. I will attach it to the dhoti. Dhoti should be sewn through the cloth as shown. Be careful. It should be taken that part for attaching the rope should be in the middle of the front of the dhoti. Now I will sew it like this. Look, our dhoti is ready. If you like this video very much, if you like it, please give it a like and let me know how you feel by commenting. If you want, you can easily make such dhoti for your little Krishna. And please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.